more than 5 million Americans suffer from Alzheimer's. The diagnosis can be very devastating. Well, in Toledo, Ohio, more than 50 people are suing a clinic. Why? They claim they were falsely diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. This is a very interesting story with many nuances, and joining us via Skype is Sean, who says he was one of those falsely diagnosed. Sean, number one, I'm sorry, because I think like a diagnosis of cancer, a diagnosis of Alzheimer's is devastating. What tests did they do, and how did this even come about?
Well, I was referred to a Toledo clinic here in town by my family doctor. At that point, they sent me to the cognitive center where I met with Mrs. Jenkins. They ordered a PET scan, some lab work. I already had an order for an MRI to be completed, and 2 weeks later, at my second appointment with her, she diagnosed me with early onset Alzheimer's disease.
You just said Mrs. Jenkins. So were you seeing a physician, or what were her credentials?
As I understand it, she does not have any licenses at all. She referred to herself as Dr. Jenkins, but I do not refer to her that way anymore.
So who is authorizing these tests to be done?
She was ordering them, and her husband was signing them.
Yeah, I think
Her husband's a physician.
she was a PhD, but not licensed in anything, and I guess she used her husband, the physician,
Right, to sign off on the orders.
And
more importantly, the billing.
At this point, this is all alleged, but Sean, is the idea in your suit that these diagnoses were being made so they could then profit off of treatments? And if so, what kind of treatments were they offering you all?
Herself, she pretty much did just counseling and so forth, and giving ideas on how to boost your memory and things, but the majority of the care was then referred to other physicians at the Toledo.
So what I'm trying to dig deeper for here is trying to figure out the reasoning beyond the obvious one would be to make money. What I'm a little confused by in this scenario is the end game, because all the tests are being ordered no matter what, and with these 50 plus patients being allegedly misdiagnosed, that's where I'm just having a lot of trouble with
Well,
this.
I mean, clearly, I mean, I know these are alleged claims, but I mean, clearly money is the end game here, that they were having the patients come back again. Let's retest you. Let's do another battery of cognitive testing.